Hey, if you want to discover the fastest way to double your sales, double your conversion, and ultimately double your money, stick around and watch today's video through until the very end, as I'm about to share with you the single key to optimizing your sales process, your sales funnel, your overall business to generate more leads, generate more sales, and at the end of the day, make more money. As always, if you get value, don't forget to let me know in the comments section below what your biggest takeaway was from this video. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell icon notification button so that you're notified when I do more videos just like this. With that said, let's go ahead and dive right in.
Welcome to the Misha Wilson Show, where we show you how to create massive success online so you can enjoy the lifestyle of your wildest dreams.
All right, so in today's video, I actually want to share with you a story from a coaching call that I was on recently, and the lesson that I share with the student that, essentially was trying way too many things and only need to focus on one single thing, which is the one single thing that you need to focus on in order to double your conversion rate, double your sales, and ultimately make way more money. Now, that one single thing might be different for different individuals watching this video, but the principle will always hold true. So I got on a coaching call recently with a client of ours, and essentially this person was taking massive action. All right, so you're always taught, take massive action, do everything you possibly can to get the result, etc. And this person truly did take that to heart, which is awesome. The issue is that they were doing so many different things at the same time that they were not seeing progress in any of them. And whenever they tried to optimize, to grow, to get to the next level, the person was always just constantly focused on trying to do everything just a little bit better. All right, so there's multiple different lessons within this video. Firstly, when it comes to focus, and then secondly, when it comes to optimization. Today, I want to talk about optimization. So essentially, whenever this person was trying to grow to the next level, what they were doing is they were constantly trying to make everything that they were doing a little bit better. All right, so they were doing videos just like this one. Let me make my videos a little bit better. They were doing webinars. Let me make my webinars a little bit better. They had, a ton of emails they were sending. How do I make my emails a little bit better? And so on and so forth. And look, I'm never going to tell you not to get better at all of the things you're doing. I'm a firm believer in getting a little bit better at everything you're doing over the course of a period of time has a massive overall impact when you factor in the compound effect and how it helps you grow over time. It is absolutely huge. But at the same time, if you are trying to take your business from here to here, if you are trying to grow your business in a linear way, essentially looking for the shortest path from point A to point B, very rarely is it doing everything a little bit better, right? Now, within the context of, let's say, a sales process, sometimes it's pulling a little lever here or a little lever here and then a little lever here, and those small little adjustments gets a big result for your overall business. But even sometimes that doesn't hold true. And with this, specific individual, it was one of the circumstances where that completely and totally was a falsehood. And so the principle that I share with them that I also want to share with you is before you go out and try to do everything, all right, before you try to make your videos a little bit better, make your webinar a little bit better, make your emails a little bit better, and everything in between, the first thing you want to do is you want to look at the data, you want to analyze the data, and you want to find the weak point in your overall process, all right? And when you find that weak point in your overall process, that one single weak point becomes the thing that you focus on optimizing and improving the most. And then once you optimize and you improve that one single weak point, after you solve that, usually that will be the lever that unlocks your business and allows you to get your business to the next level. Now, if it's not, you then have to find the next weak point after that, all right? So maybe when you unlock this weak point, it kind of, allows you to remove the constraint a little bit, but you still have another constraint somewhere else. You then find the next weak point, solve that next weak point, fix that next problem, and ultimately see compounding effects overall in your business. And so the principle is very simple. All right. Whenever you're looking to improve your sales, whenever you're looking to improve your conversion rate, whenever you're looking to make more money in your business, the first thing you want to do is you want to identify the constraint. You want to identify the weakest link. You want to identify, metaphorically, kind of like the broken bicycle spoke on the bicycle wheel, that when you fix that one spoke, makes the entire wheel go round. Focus on solving that one problem first, and then if that one problem, after you solve that, your business takes off, you're good to go. If you're still not good to go, find the next weakest link, and then consistently find the next weakest link, consistently solve those problems, and then also understand that once you solve those problems, there will always be the next problem. All right. So if, as an example, we get into a business and we solve the sales problem, we find the weakest link in the overall sales process, we fix it, and we instantly double sales, let's just say as an example, well, there's probably going to be something that breaks on the back end when it comes to operations, because now you have 2 times as many customers flying through. You need to fulfill for 2 times as many people. You need to make 2 times as many people happy. If you're, running a coaching business, you need to have all the different infrastructures in place for having 2 times as many people come into the programs, 2 times as many onboarding calls, 2 times as many coaching calls usually. There's only one of you, there's way more people coming through. That becomes the next problem. And at that point, that is then the weakest link that you look at solving. All right. So understand, don't always try to do everything at once. Don't always try to improve every single thing at once, thinking that it'll have a big overall impact on your business. Find the one singular weakest link, solve that one singular weakest link as a problem, remove that constraint, and then move on to the next problem to grow your business to the next level. With that said, as always, I hope you got a ton of value out of this video. If you did, let me know in the comment section below what your biggest takeaway was. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell icon notification button so you get more videos just like this.